So this is the printable ratio tables or proportion boxes, and it loads like this, and you always have three numbers and you have to find the missing number, and they're always in proportion with one another like a ratio table. So here, to get from 4 to 12, we'll multiply by 3. So this missing number here will be 1 times by 3, which is 3. And the default is integer scalars, so there's always a way to get from one box to the other just by multiplying by an integer when you're on this mode. You can see like here from times by 4, or from here times by 3, and so on. The fun starts when you press the fractional button here, because now there's never a way to get from one number to another just by multiplying by an integer. So for example, to get from 10 to 15, you first need to divide by 2 to get to 5, and then multiply up by 3. And this is the progression of the idea to going from just integer scale factors to fractional scale factors. There's various options you can have. Obviously the rows and columns are as usual like most printable resources. You can press random to keep the values but change the box. Show all, hide all are pretty self-explanatory. The Don button takes you to a Don Stewart worksheet on boxes, and his boxes are set out like with little circles like this, so you can toggle between the views. There's your normal traditional ratio table, but I know Don has like 4 circles connected with lines, so you can toggle between the two versions. And then the difficulty slider just basically makes the numbers more annoying and larger. So as you slide it up, the numbers get larger and larger. But the key difficulty, if you like, with ratio tables is going from this integer to fractional scale factor. So hopefully you find those useful.